a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
Yo,
yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give...
Natanggap ko na po ang PSA certification ng birth certificate ng anak ko. Ito na po. So natanggap ko via sa courier nila dahil I made an order sa kanilang website. So binayaran ko po 365. Hindi na ako po nag-travel ng Bacolod. Magpila pa at maghintay ng ilang oras. Siguro sa 365 sobra pa ang gasto ko po. Kaya ginawa ko, pumunta lang ko inanap ko sa website, inanap ko sa internet ang PSA at doon nakita kong na PDF lang maka-order online. Magpi-fill up lang ng mga information gaya ng ginawa ko. Nag-fill up ako. I requested for a birth certificate ng aking anak, ang kanyang pangalan, middle name, family name, date of birth, and then mayroon doon sabi kung paano ako related sa ino-order ko na death certificate ng isang bata o tao. Diyan nalagay ito yung son, ganun po. At nag-ask naman kung anong relation, my son relation sa akin, my father. Tapos inihingi rin ang aking mga buong pangalan, yung first name, middle name, at saka yung family name. Ina-ask din nila ang maiden name kaya nilagay ko ang first name ng aking asawa, kanyang middle name at saka maiden name. Tapos I click, tapos nag-ask kung paano ko babayaran via o banknet. Kaya ang ginawa ko, kiniklik ko yung yung GCash. Tapos doon, pagkatapos ng ginawa ko, lumapag doon ang ang request at doon na yung amount na 365. Kaya na kiniklik ko, and then automatically I receive a reply sa kanila na successfully na-receive na ang payment. Tapos ino-open ko yung aking email. Taka muna ang email pala, ilagay mo din kung anong email mo at saka yung cellphone number. Kaya type yung cellphone number, email number. Pagbukas ko ng email ko, doon ko nakita na mayroong silang reply na na-receive na ang aking payment. At saka the following day, na-receive din ako ng email na na-process na o na-forward na sa PSA para i-process na natin. Ayan. Ito na. Ayan. Oh, may kwan pala. Ayan, oh, may receipt. Oh. May receipt ng payment. Okay. So, ang total payment po 210. Actually, ang binabayaran sa PSA. So, binabayaran ko doon through sa online na PSA 365. So, pumunta sa kanila ay 155. So, 210 lang ang isa resibo. Tapos, 365 355. Ayan, ito na. Okay, so na-receive nila ang aking bayad noong February 19. Okay, so February 19, ngayon to ay February 24, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, 5 days lang pala. Kala ko 1 week din. So 5 days. Ito na receipt. Receipt na. So natin. Ito pala. Ayan. Mayroon pang isang receipt maliban sa 210, mayroon pang isang receipt 155. Upon issuance, copy of issuance of copy of birth certificate. Ayan. Ito na. Including na yung stamp at yung signature at saka ano yon, possible image yung detalye. Ayan, ito na po. Ito na. Ayan. So madali lang, wala na masyadong hassle. Hindi bale kahit 365, pero hindi ka naman naghirapan sa pagpila, pag-travel, pupunta ng Bacolod, tapos kakain pa ka doon, tapos hintayin mo hanggang maghapon. Kung hindi aabutan ng iyong issuance ng iyong certificate, babalik ka pa sa susunod na araw. So mabuti na lang ngayon na may facility na sa internet. So hanapin lang ninyo guys kung nahirapan kayo punta ng lungsod o saan naka-opisina yung Philippine Statistics Authority. So pirmado na po. Kaya ito po ang birth certificate ng aking panganay na anak. So mas mabuti po, kaya kailangan po ito sa mga papilis, lalo na mag-apply ng trabaho, mag-apply ng mga loans, o mag-claim ng mga benefits sa SSS or sa GSIS. Nahanap po nila ang PhD certificate, ang birth certificate. So mabuti lang po at na-facilitate na at madali lang po. Hindi naman masyadong matagal yung 5 days sa pag-iintay. Tapos yung mga courier na nag-deliver ng certificate, they are very polite and courteous. Magalang po sila. Tapos yung pag-claim po o pagtanggap na po ng certificate na ito, ni-require po ng delivery boy ang yung nilagay mo doon sa website kung anong proof of evidence or pakilala na ikaw ay authentic na tao. So nilagay ko doon ang aking UMID ID. Yan, UMID ID ko. Tapos kanina pinipicturean niya. Ayun. Hindi na ako nagbabayad kasi nabayaran ko na po sa GCash. So, para sa mas madali po ninyong pagtanggap ng inyong PhD certification, ng inyong birth certificate, marriage certificate, death certificate, ayan, pupunta lang kayo sa PSA. So, thank you very much PSA. Saludo po ako. Ang galing ng serbisyo. This kind of government online service PSA is reliable. Thank you very much. Sana you make use of this kind of services. So, see you guys.